As your managed services provider, we work to help keep your business safe. If your employees are using weak or identical passwords for their online accounts, then they could be exposing your organization to security breaches. Cybercriminals can use brute force techniques to log into your systems, and former employees may still have access even though they shouldn't. That's why we offer a password management service that is designed to protect you from this type of exposure. The service provides you with encrypted passwords, secure storage, and employee access control, and addresses many of the other security issues that can jeopardize your system. The password management service protects your business with secured login credentials and allows us to share passwords with you in an encrypted format. So let's look at how to set it up. Once we invite you to join as the admin for your organization, you'll receive an email to activate your account. Click Activate Account in the email or copy and paste the link into a web browser. This takes you to the next step, which is where you'll find your security questions and organization key. The organization key is extremely important because it keeps your data separate and secure. It's a special phrase that's used in conjunction with yours and your team's passwords to encrypt all your data. It should be long and memorable, and understand that once set, it cannot be changed. Next, set your password and activate your account. Once you log in, you'll be taken to your home page. Your username is displayed in the top right-hand corner. Here, you can edit your profile and set up some of your preferences. The bell icon notifies you of important alerts that require your attention. The heart identifies your favorites. And the reverse clock shows your recent activities. There's also a password search option. There are a few other menu options along the top, such as Create New Passwords, Users or Folders, and Move, Bookmark, and Disable groups of selected items. The side menu is where you'll find My Vault. This is where you store your personal credentials and passwords. No one else has access to it. You can create personal vaults for each of your team members. There's also Company Vault, where all your company passwords should be stored. We recommend creating a folder structure that lets you organize your passwords into logical groupings. A good folder structure allows you to assign granular access only to those who need access to a specific folder. When creating a new folder, you have the option to assign a group access to it. If you do not assign a group, then the folder will be accessible to everyone in your system. Access control is where you'll find permission levels and security groups. Permission levels define what people can do in the system. You are the site administrator, and your team members are the site users. Security groups help you manage which users can access which folders that you create to organize passwords in the company vault. To create a security group, select Access Control from the navigation bar, then Security Groups, and then select Plus New Security Group. To assign new users, select User Management from the navigation bar on the left, and then select Users. Choose New User and complete the form. Make sure you set their permission level and assign the correct security group. Once created, each new user will receive an email, similar to the one you received, prompting them to activate their account. Once a user account has been activated, you can edit the account, send the organization key, or disable the account if the user leaves your organization. One of the biggest advantages of this solution is its reporting capabilities. For example, you can see how many people are in the tool, who's inputting passwords, which passwords have been changed, etc. The Settings menu provides additional options. Under Settings General, you can activate Hide Unassigned Folders from Users to prevent somebody from seeing folders that they don't have access to. And if you need to know your organization key, you can click here to see it. The next tab is Two-Factor Authentication. If you toggle it on, you can see the different methods available, allow team members to change the method, and decide if you want to require it for all your users. Under Credential Types, there are over 40 different pre-populated credential types. If none of these are right for your business, then you have the option to create your own and add it to the list. Our password management service also includes web browser extensions that allow you to use your stored passwords easily and securely with many of your favorite websites, without having to log into the password site first. To download and install an extension, select Settings, Downloads, and then click Download for the one you want. Another feature is the ability to share passwords with us and vice versa. And the best part is that the passwords will stay current regardless of who updates them. To enable this feature, choose a password, navigate to With Selected, and click Share Passwords. Passwords can be shared with everyone in the organization or only with specific people. If a shared password is moved to a different folder, it will not break the shared feature. Any passwords we share with you will land in your root folder by default. You can then move them into another folder of your choice. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please reach out to a support rep. Thanks for watching.